In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting on Zoom quickly and easily. Whether you're organizing a virtual family gathering, a business meeting, or an educational lecture, using Zoom can significantly simplify the process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign in and prepare for your meeting. This can be done by going to the Zoom web portal or by opening the Zoom desktop or mobile app. Once there, simply log into your account. It's essential to make sure that your microphone, camera, and internet connection are working properly. Testing these tools beforehand can save you from any unwanted technical hitches during your meeting. Now, let's create or start your meeting. You have two main choices here. If you need to start a meeting on the fly, you can opt for an instant meeting. Simply click on New Meeting in the app, and you'll be able to begin immediately. On the other hand, if you want to schedule a meeting for a later time, that's just as easy. On the web portal or the app, click on Schedule a Meeting. You'll be prompted to enter details like the meeting topic, date, time, and duration. You can choose between using a generated meeting ID or your personal meeting ID. Additionally, set up any security options you prefer, such as a passcode or a waiting room to ensure privacy and security. Once you've started or scheduled your meeting, it's time to invite participants. This can be done effortlessly once in the meeting. Click Invite, either in the meeting toolbar or through the meeting details. You can then copy the invitation link or choose to email it directly to your participants. Don't forget to share the meeting ID and passcode if you've set one, so they can effortlessly join the meeting. During the meeting, it's crucial to effectively manage and host the session. Keep an eye on the participants panel to see who's joined. This panel allows you to manage the participants easily. You can mute or unmute attendees or admit people from the waiting room as needed. If there's need for a presentation, the share screen feature will be your go-to tool. And as a host, you have control over who gets to share their screen. Take advantage of the security settings, like the waiting room, passcode, or the option to lock the meeting, to control who enters and ensure the meeting stays secure. Lastly, when it's time to wrap up, end or conclude the meeting smoothly. As the host, simply click on End Meeting for All to finish the session for everyone. However, if you've assigned a co-host or transferred host duties, you can also just leave the meeting, allowing it to continue without you. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to host a Zoom meeting. With these steps, hosting a virtual get-together will be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.